This video is a guide to rearranging the kinetic equation using the triangle method. Now, this will not teach you the skill of rearranging equations, and you must have that skill for the exams. However, if it is 2 weeks until the exam and you still haven't learned how to rearrange equations, this is the method you will need to use. So we start with the equation, EK equals a half mv squared. Now we want to fit this into a triangle. So for this method you must remember this triangle. We have EK on the top and then a half times m times v squared on the bottom. Now if I want to use this triangle to work out what E, m or v is, then what I do is I cover over the number that I want. Then that gives me EK is a half times m times v squared, which is the equation we already know. If I want m, what I then do is I cover over the m, and I find that m must be equal to EK divided by a half and divided by v squared. Now any number divided by a half is the same as multiplying it by 2. So I end up with 2EK over v squared. And finally, if I want the v squared, I cover over the v squared. Then I know that it's EK divided by a half m. Again, any number divided by a half is the same as timesing by 2. And so we end up with v squared is equal to 2EK over m. This is the least useful equation because we've still got v squared and we wanted v on its own. The final step here is you will need to use some skill. You have to square root both sides to give you v equals the square root of 2EK over m.